Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, as you can see. Basically what this is a laptop stand that you can use for a laptop or anything else. That's up to you guys at the end of the day. So if you guys take a look at the back part here, it tells you guys the instruction on how to actually set it up. But first thing first, let me actually open the product to show you guys what it actually looks like and how to set it up. So when you open the inside, this is basically what it looks like right here. So this part right here, you guys can see, very nice material. And this is how you guys adjust it, by turning this knob right here to push it up and down like this. That's how you guys adjust the height. Next, they provide you guys the accessory to mount the product together, you guys can see. And right here is the stand, so let's take this out. So remove that layer, there's the instruction guide right there to teach you guys how to set up and how to use it. You guys can see. And then here we have the first section of the stands right here. And then underneath that is the second part. So it looks like this is the bottom part that you can put on the flat surface. And then here's the other part. And this one is for the top part. So basically how you guys set this up is by putting this one onto this part right here. So you can screw it on like that. And then put the other one on top of it. So you just want to take out the screws right here. So once you guys put it like this, then you can screw it onto the bottom part right here to put on the screw like this. So just like this. Very easy, as you can see. Make sure it's tight. And then you can put in the next one as well. So just like this, if you guys can see. Same thing like the other one. Make sure it's tight. And there's all set for the bottom part, so now you guys can do the top part. So the way how you guys know which side to use it for is by looking at the way how it looks like. So this is the back part or the bottom part, and this is the top part. So once you guys put it on like this, then you guys actually put on the screws for both of these holes right here. So let me put it on first. So you just want to do the same thing like we guys did for the bottom part and just screw it on like this. And make sure it's tight. Alright. So we got the first one, now let's put on the second one. Alright, so we got the second one right here. Let's screw it on as well. Just like that. Make sure it's tight, and then you guys are all set. Alright, so this is basically what the final product looks like. You guys adjust it up and down like this. And if you guys want to keep it at that position, you just want to tighten up the back part right here. And then it's all set. So you guys have this empty slot or this area that you can actually put stuff here on the bottom if you guys want to. But this is where you can put in the laptop or what if you guys want to use it for. And since the actual laptop stand itself is flat, you guys don't have to worry about it falling or anything because it's not tilted. So this is basically what the overall product looks like. Let me put a laptop on here to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like if you can see. So the one I have right here is a 15 or 16 inch laptop. You can see that it fits really nice and holds really nicely. So it doesn't really matter what size your laptop is, whether it be 13 inch, 15 inch or 16 inch. All of them fits on here and it's pretty stable. And what I really like about this laptop stand is the fact that you can adjust it how you guys want to in like different angles up or down. Whether it be like all the way down, halfway down, or all the way up. It's really nice. You guys can definitely put like your monitor on here as well if you guys don't want to use it for laptops. What if you guys want to use it for, that's up to you guys though. But if you guys are wondering what the weight capacity is for this product or in the stand itself right here, it can actually hold up to 33 pounds of anything. So as long as it doesn't exceed the 33 pound limit, most likely you guys can actually hold it on to the stand itself. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did a quick unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is actually pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a laptop stand or just stand in general that is adjustable, then this is definitely worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one, or you guys are trying to look for like a laptop stand that's bendable like in this angle or something, so you guys have a better adjustment for your arms and everything, then this is probably not the one for you guys and you should get a different type of laptop stand. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have